Hello friends. It's very interesting to note that when we enter the realm of noise in homeopathy, it causes an array or a spectrum of emotions that I found really too good and sometimes even unbelievable to even know about. For example, a simple noise, just noise, can cause anger and lead to extremeness in that, leading to even rage. There can also be shrieking from anger and anxiety. The person can be beside oneself just from the stimulus of noise. There can be concentration difficult, confusion, excitement, fear, hysteria, and fear and frightened. So an ongoing experience and a past experience. So fear and frightened. Then also noise can make a person indisposed to speak. Taciturnity from noise. Just from noise. Leave it. Weeping from noise. We have heard of weeping from music, where music leads us to tears, but weeping from noise. And this all can be very useful. Sometimes we hear these reactions of people in Dandiya especially, or some music celebration, and that person has some effect. So at that time, understanding or knowing these different emotions or different reactions caused by noise can be very useful. A very slight disturbance can be seen in the form of irritability, but it can also lead to an extreme sensation, that is intolerance of noise. Laughing mania from noise, sadness, prostration of mind, oversensitive, starting from noise, dasakana jala mantra, stupefaction from noise, thought vanishing from noise, and one very interesting rubric I found is that even an unconscious patient who is in coma basically can be aroused by a simple stimulus of noise, and it happens in Zinc Mint. I was very astonished to read it.